And your name?
Martha Gravatt.
Martha, and if you could just tell us real quick why you think it's important for workers to have the right to form unions at work.
Well, it's so important, I can say, as a UAW member for 21 years, that it makes so much difference. It gives you a voice about your conditions, about your wages, about your right to keep your job. And without a union, you're just at the mercy of your employers. They can fire you for anything. They can pay you slave wages. We need unions so that we can keep fighting for what we still haven't won, which is a living wage, guaranteed full employment, health care for everybody, pensions, all these things.
Have you ever had a job where you didn't have a union?
Yes, I have.
And you have a job where you have a union now.
Yes.
Could you talk a little bit about the differences between those experiences?
Well, in 1987, I completed a tool and die maker, a skilled trades apprenticeship at a non-union place. And when I quit that job and went to a UAW Chrysler plant, my pay more than doubled. But it wasn't just that. I could speak up when I was being harassed on my job. I could complain. I could file a grievance. I could feel like I had some backing. I was harassed about 100 times as a woman and as a lesbian, but at least I got my union to grieve it and try to finally we put a stop to it.
That's great. Martha, thanks so much for your time.
Okay.